Today we will do prime factorization. First of all, we will do prime factorization of 80. That means we will make prime factors of 80. Right? Now 80, its ones place is 0. It means it goes on to 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 0 is 0. Now 40. This is also even number, its ones place is 0. So it also goes on to 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 0 is 0. Next, 20. 20 is also even number. It goes on to 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0. Now 10. 10 is also an even number. Its ones place is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Now 5. 5 goes on 5. 5 times 1 is 1. So prime factors of 80 are 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we will write in powers. Now 2 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 1. So this is our answer. Next we have to make prime factors of 144. Now 144 is an even number, or we can say on ones place there is 4. So this is divisible by 2. Now 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4. Now 72 also goes on to 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is carry forward. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Now 36. 36 is also an even number. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is carried forward. So it becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Now 18 also goes on to 2 times 9 is 18. Now 9 is an odd number. It doesn't goes on to. It goes on table of 3. Now 3 times 3 is 9. Now 3 times 1 is 3. So prime factors of 144 are 144 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And 3 is 2 times. 3 into 3. Now we will write in powers. Now 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 2 raised to power 4 into 3 is 2 times 1, 2. 3 raised to power 2. So prime factors of 144 are 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 2. I think this is clear to everyone. Thank you.